Hi, I'm Matt Morelli, a research engineer here at the MK Morse Company, and today's Morse Minute Tech Tip is how to check if you're getting out of square cuts. On an industrial circular saw machine, you have what are called blade guides. The blade guides are what help to keep the blade cutting true throughout the cut. If you notice that you're getting out of square cuts, a little trick that I like to do is to put dicum on these guides. And while the blade's cutting, if you notice that the dicum's getting worn out, you know that your blade's not cutting square. Let's go down to the cut lab and I'll show you what I mean. This is an example of the guides that are typically on an industrial circular saw machine. As you can see, we have 2 on the front of the door and 3 on the back of the door, like we saw on the whiteboard. These are what we can paint red or blue, whatever color your dicum is. And as your saw contacts it, as it's cutting, it'll wear that dicum off of there. So you can see from the worn dicum right here that this is what it would typically look like on all of your guides if your blade was cutting on a square. Just for demonstration purposes, I just wiped the dicum off because our blades don't cut out a square. All right guys, now that we're back up here from the cut lab, a couple things to notice if your dicum's wearing off on your guides are chips building up between the bar and the vise, or your bar feeding into the saw could possibly also be bent, causing your cuts to be out of square. This was a Morse Minute Tech Tip. If you have further questions, reach out to customer service. And as always, thank you.